This is GED teacher Damon Tennant, and in this video I want to share with you my all new GED practice test workbook. This is a practice test workbook that will get you prepared for GED math test success. How does it do that? Number one, it breaks down the GED test itself. So the first pages of this book don't just jump into practice test questions. It really goes through and talks about GED strategy, the history of the test, and what you need in order to be successful. Then beyond that, it breaks down what's on the actual test, and it pulls this directly from the GED testing service, the creator of the GED test. And then it goes on beyond that and shows you some of the charts you'll see, and then it gives you the strategy of how many questions that you actually need to get correct in order to pass the GED test. Talks a little bit about the GED math calculator as well. And then it jumps into two sections. There's 25 questions in each section. Section 1 is the basic math section, and there's 25 basic math questions. And then section 2 is another set of 25 questions, which is the algebraic math section of this book, an additional 25 questions. So these are 50 questions that if you study these questions well and get these questions correct, and of course in the back of this workbook you can get the answers, but I always recommend that you try them first. But in the back of this workbook the answers are there. This book will prepare you to pass the GED math test. Now, the key thing that you have to remember is that as you're studying and preparing for the test, it's not just about the skills, but it's also about the word problems. So this workbook covers those GED style word problems that are so key, because remember, the GED test is not just simply called the GED math test, it's called the GED math reasoning test. So this workbook is designed with that reasoning portion in mind when you are being tested. Not only do you know the skill, although there are some skill-based questions during the test, but also can you apply the skill? Can you reason? So can I give you a paragraph of text, and can I give you a chart, and then can you put those things together and then answer a question that also calls upon your ability to reason with those skills that you have. See, that is the true key of passing the GED test. If you are stuck on 142, 141, even 143, the reason why is that you're missing some of these reasoning type questions. So again, this workbook is available. The link to this workbook is available in the link of this YouTube video, and you can get it today. I have 25 copies today, so today is August 1st, 2020. I do expect these books to go within the next week or so. So 25 copies are available. The link is in the video where you can purchase this book. It gets sent to you. You get a tracking number so that you can know when it's coming, and this workbook gets delivered right to your mailbox. Again, this has been GED teacher Damon Tennant with a special offer of the GED practice test workbook. I hope you enjoy it. Any questions? Contact information for me is also in the video description below. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to know about more GED content that I produce here, please subscribe. And however you have your notifications set up, you'll be notified when new videos and new information comes out on this channel. Thank you.